This is going to be quite an experimental video because I just found out that in Android phones I am able to do this. As you could see, I just literally skipped from one angle to the other. So yeah, it's kind of weird, isn't it? So I'm gonna keep using this skill of that I just found out in this video. So this is gonna be a very short video of this Snoopy figurine that I bought of Pukoff. If I'm not mistaken, it only cost me about a quarter. It is a McDonald's toy. So I'm going to open it up and both of us are gonna check it out together. So we are going to peel this slowly, right? So Pukoff, they kind of put a cellophane tape on the side of the plastic packages, which makes it super difficult to access. Can you hear all that rustling of the plastic? What does that make you feel? So we finally managed to gain access to the figurine here. This is Snoopy. Do you know Snoopy? Snoopy the dog. Snoop Dogg got his name from this character over here. It's Snoop the dog. So he is holding a flashlight and there's like this button over here. I wonder what it does. I wonder what this lever does. Maybe there's like a battery or something. Huh. Is there a compartment for a battery, or this thing is powered by solar? Is it solar powered? I'm gonna pause this video and I'll check with you later. Oh, I couldn't manage to get it to work. I have no idea why. I have no idea how this thing operates. I have no idea where the battery compartment is. It's supposed to be powered by some kind of electricity, right? I mean, this thing is supposed to do something. That does something. What is this button supposed to do anyway? I have no idea what this lever does. You can turn the head around like that. I don't know. There's the bulb. Here's a switch. So I don't know. I'm pretty sure the bulb here is supposed to light up if you do something to the switches, and probably something to do with the head or the level on the head. Alright, even though this isn't a McDonald's figurine and you're not supposed to be playing with it, it does have like some kind of articulation. The ear moves, both ears move. The head can be, spun around like that. And the paint is very good. The sculpt is also very good. That's the base of this figurine. It has something written there. You take a look. So let's see what it says. It's peanuts made for McDonald's. Come on. Made for McDonald's. Come on, let's go. Let's go, boy. Made in China. TCW, fabric in China. Yep. Isn't he a nice looking toy?